Abuja for man go about media so mediane na napoko. Fabulous the best, fabulous the greatest, fabulous emu ye. Enano Asante Kotoko, nano Monday no Kotoko ne Samatex 1996 edise so Babayara Sports Stadium. Na first half no obia entimi HB. Na second half na insuprani bi etoye ewo Babayara Sports Stadium. Na wo se awokansi no omutu edise eda enra ema 9 o'clock p.m. 9 o'clock a.m. ema awokansi no etimi second half no na se second half no etimi ekoso na awokansi ba wi na se Samatex atichire eka mienu ade aso Asante Kotoko ama Kotoko atimu baako ena ma Kotoko achitafo no epa live papa ka ma bi nyire players ne a whole lot happen Babayara Sports Stadium na ma brante friend is Emmanuel Antwi enso anokopa na se na noko yinika ma otimi ka bibi editia Asante Kotoko supporters no so bufu papa yi pa bufu yi pa chese abrante no amfa ubuo ama Asante Kotoko supporters you player osenka utuminya botri biania because omuno cheska edeba stadium ebehwe game na yetimi anya bi de tua oka nti e wo se abrante na ka onya botre na abrante friend say former Asante Kotoko striker talisman aya friend say Ahmed Sembature ono so ede ensem bi abetuja pete say Kotoko ehia good organization enso hopa so Kotoko etutu ne nema yi for next season no ansana season kwa yatimi ashe ase so preseason o pa say preseason no was say enema etimi ekoyi na Kotoko etimi enye quality players, yes quality players se be betuma boma Asante Kotoko next season no enema etimi akoyi adema Asante Kotoko so na brand friends say Amber Sumbature editu edwa ebra Asante Kotoko ne Samatex 1996 akansi no ebawiye ma ehun tinwa su bebre ema supporters ni bufu ye say players meet now elusu against Samatex because ni here 3 points no yi papa here susu prona say sisi e kono bibia Gold Stars and da esoro onukuta 51 points Mediama sukuta 50 points House of Folk enso ekuta 46 points and Kotoko ekuta 43 points no ba Adriana sukuta 42 points nanka ya hwese bia na no hakra House of Folk etimi dinku ni nanka ya hwese nke so betimi adin kunim enno da na se Monday no nanka etima catch up with them but enyama antimi anko yesa ama Kotoko enso etimi di incho etisi ni Accra House of Folk 3 points na eda entema Kotoko supporters no ebufuye ekirese no yetimi transe ama these boys entimi emegu yetim no anima santima omososo timi kan madwene kire players ni papa can't be chill be a penny be allowed. We are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. We didn't know that they could be more Babayara Sports Stadium, Nanya for Diagro, and Nibre Abba Nibra ye or stadium honum now. Nina Mono, you can say Ajobrel, Achia Nensu Muye, Limse, so. Some matches to go, even though league in there, about the Kotoko, bet me Aji League no at the scene now. Unless miracles happens before Kotoko bet me Aji League in the scene now. And you know that another day, a team Eco PMO Babayara Sports Stadium. And on Monday now I can see the chance here in 20 yen to me and me I can see no now say and no yes I bet to us Babayara Sports Stadium now. Okay, I say nkumudie betimi akọda ma Asante Kotoko but ni nyam no anko ba ne sa honom enti e be kan say adwebrel se Kotoko ekuta 46 points 43 points ya woda Accra House of Folk achi per fourth position enso honom be dem asimo team of him salon peace bye bye.